Good morning. I'm going to show you how to make simple and easy pancakes. First, you will need a bowl, weighing scales, milk, plain flour, and 2 eggs. Now, Luthia recommended 2 happy eggs, so I think this one isn't going to be very useful. We'll also need an electric whisk, but if you don't have an electric whisk, a normal whisk will be just fine. First, add 100 grams of plain flour to the bowl. Next, break your 2 happy eggs. And now 300 milliliters of milk. Okay, now you'll need to whisk the milk, the flour and the eggs together to make a nice batter. Now the batter's ready. It's a good idea to put your oven, if you have one, on 90 degrees. Oh, it's not in focus, but well, 90 degrees. And put your plate in the oven so while you're cooking your pancakes they can stay warm. Next, you'll need to put a little bit of oil in the pan and move the oil with some paper so that your pancakes are not going to stick to the pan when they're cooking. Heat the pan on a medium to high heat, because the pancakes need to be cooking in a pan that's nice and hot. Put 1 ladle of pancake batter into the pan. Move the batter around in a circle until you have this shape. Make sure the pancake isn't sticking to the pan, because if it's sticking it will be very difficult to turn. Now we're going to turn the pancake. And we'll wait for 1 more minute. Now put your pancake with the other pancakes and keep them in the oven to stay warm. And repeat the process, but you must always put a little oil in the pan after each pancake to stop them from burning.